after you have a baby and you're in the postpartum stage of your pregnancy, which we call the 4th trimester, it's a really important time for you to heal your body emotionally, mentally, and physically. So we always say that labor and delivery, your birth, is the biggest sports athletic event of your life. And the amazing thing about sports and athletes is, as you know, after you compete, you relax, you rest, and you rehab. But after we have a baby, we're not really sure what to do. So here at Core Health Chiropractic, we are so adamant about proper rest and rehab after you have the baby. You might be saying, like, what would you have to rehab after you have a baby? And that's a great question. The reason we need a rehab after you have a baby, no matter if you have a vaginal delivery or a C-section, there is a significant amount of pelvic floor damage. So we want to help you heal the pelvic floor and your core so that when you're older, we don't have any sneezing and peeing while you sneeze or you laugh. I know it's silly, but it does happen and it's not normal. We want to help you decrease that. We want to help you heal from when the baby comes out. You could have something called a Diastasis Recti. That's when those abdominal muscles start to move away from each other, and it can cause like a pooch or like a sagging in the middle of your belly. You might be able to see it yourself, but we have very specific ways to figure out how significant your DR is, Diastasis Recti, and we have specific ways to help you rehab and heal them correctly and safely for you after baby. So there are things that you should do after you have the baby, and there are things that you should avoid. And a lot of times we are so excited to jump back in exercise or routine, and it might not be really safe and it might be hurting you further. So it's a really important time for you after you have the baby to rehab correctly. And that's where we like to come in, because you may not see your doctor for another 6 to 8 weeks after you have the baby. You may have questions about how your healing is going. You may not know what to do. And we're here to hold your hand as you begin to heal and connect with your baby, and you have a whole new family. So it's a really awesome and amazing time, but it can be very stressful, very challenging. So we're here to hold your hand as you heal from having your baby.